2018 graduate of the ABC Southern California and Merit Training Trust Plumbing Apprenticeship Program. Nate is currently employed by ABC contractor member Imprint Plumbing out of Riverside, California. This is Nate's second appearance of the day. He was with us this morning at the board meeting. He was so impressive that we invited him back for an encore. Nate is 31 years old and a California native who has been singing most of his life. He was previously in a music group called S1, and thousands have been lucky enough to hear his beautiful voice. He has performed the National Anthem at the ABC Craft Championships here in Southern California for the past 2 years. Nate and his wife are the proud parents of 3 beautiful girls. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nate Campbell.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars